Yes, people. So in this video, I'm going to be answering that question that you saw in the thumbnail. Did I actually make over $400 of royalty from KDP yesterday alone? But first, if you're new here, my name is Ben. I bring up videos like this on my self-publishing journey. So if you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to be notified whenever I bring out new videos. And of course, if you haven't done so already, go join my Facebook group. It's KDP Publishing Success with Ben Chinnock. If you're just starting out in KDP or you're looking to grow your income, then there is no better place to get help than my Facebook group. We're a growing community of self-publishers and we're all here to help each other. I also chuck in a lot of interiors there. So May the 18th, I chucked in an accounting log interior that's free for anyone to use. And again, today I've dropped in a gratitude journal for children. So if you haven't done so already, then make the most of these templates that I'm dropping in. And of course, you can ask any question. Just post into the group, ask me a question, and I will reply. So we've had a few people ask questions in there, and I've helped them every single time, and you're welcome to do so. I want to help everybody. And of course, if you want to learn in your own time, then of course, the best place to get started is the Residual Royalty Academy. There's a free course for beginners. So if you're just starting out in KDP, then definitely watch this course. It's absolutely free and it's going to give you an insight into what a publishing business looks like, and it's going to help you publish your first 50 or even 500 books. And of course, if you're looking to grow your income, then take the course that I took. It's the Royalty Accelerator course. It should be discounted to $99 if you click in the link in the description below. Essentially, this course helped me get to a 4-figure income a month, and it's also helped so many other students that have taken this course, as you can see from the testimonials here. Look, there's some great numbers dotted around. So if you haven't done so already, then enroll in this course and use this time whilst you're in lockdown to really educate yourself with publishing. But without further ado, guys, let's have a look at the royalty. So if we go on here, this is my royalty today. So it's about 4 o'clock here in the UK on the Thursday, and we're doing quite well. $67 I would regard as quite a nice day. But what we really want to see is how much I earned yesterday. So brace yourself, people. $450, there it is. So in one day I earned that amount from 1,518 books. Honestly, I feel absolutely flabbergasted. I went out for a cycle ride and it was on about 80 before I left, and when I came back I thought I'd give it a refresh, and then all of a sudden it got to a very high amount. It wasn't 450 at the time because it was still in the evening, but it was extremely high, like 370. And if we have a look at the books below, most of them have actually come from one pen name. So look, you can see 63.8% has come from one pen name, 21.2 has come from another pen name, and these two are in the same niche. So that's really good there. And yeah, look, so that this niche has given me roughly $380 in one day. Now if we scroll down here, it's easy to see why. 138 sales gave me $450. And it's not just a bulk order of one book. You can see it's very diversified. There's a lot of books that sold, and incredibly enough, they sold at a huge margin. Look at this, one sale $4.54, and it just repeats itself all the way down. Now I'm not anyone special. I just followed the same process that I saw in Matt's course. I just followed the same process that a lot of other YouTubers talk about when finding their niches and keywords. I mean, I didn't do anything special. This is a no content book. It's not a bunch of high contents that have just sold. Honestly, this is a no content book that I found using the same method that I find all my other niches. So really, I am no one special. I got incredibly lucky. But obviously, the more books I publish, the luckier I get. And I'm just going to show you my settings as well, just so you know that I haven't done some code to modify those numbers. These are genuine numbers that I made. So I got 450 yesterday. That's in United States dollars as well. If we can give that a refresh, you can see what's going on there. And while that's loading, there it is, $450. If we can go on the KDP reports as well. So on KDP reports, if I give that a quick refresh up there, you can see that yesterday was an absolute spike. Look at that, $448, always slightly lower because of the foreign exchange rate, but still an incredible amount compared to the other days as well. Look at that, absolutely unbelievable. So there you have it, guys. I think the takeaway message from this video is if you're just starting out, or if you're trying to grow your income, then join my Facebook group and join the Royalty Accelerator courses. Ask me anything in my Facebook as well as a post, and it won't just be me helping you out, it'll be others in those group as well, because like I say, we're all trying to grow together. So I'm genuinely here to help. So join the Facebook group if you haven't done so already. There's going to be a competition when I hit 100 followers, so go fill up that Facebook group. We're on 57 at the moment. Go fill up the Facebook group, guys, and keep on with your KDP publishing. The hardest part is getting the first 100 or so books up, and once you do that, then it gets smoother and easier from there. So if you've published your first 100 books, drop a comment below and give yourself a pat on the back. It's not easy, but it's so worthwhile, KDP. And yeah, don't give up with it. The rewards will come to you soon. But otherwise, guys, that's pretty much it for myself. I hope this has been a bit of motivation for you. If you want to see more videos from me, then drop a post in the Facebook or drop a comment below. Give this video a like if you liked this video, and of course subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. But otherwise, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.